NMS Inquiry checks for new website inquiries and sends a reply draft to Telegram for approval. The instruction can set the monitoring period and frequency. This example checks every 1 to 2 minutes. When a customer submits a product inquiry, Telegram receives a review card. No email is sent without approval. Now simulate the customer flow by opening the product page and clicking Inquire Now. The customer enters a name, email address, contact number, and inquiry message in the form. After checking the details and completing verification, click Send Message. After submission, the customer receives an inquiry acknowledgement email. The email lists the customer details, inquiry message, and related product link for reference. When Monitor detects the new inquiry, it sends a review card to Telegram. Check the draft before sending. To make changes, reply to agent with the details to update. Add stock availability, online transfer, and delivery charges. Agent revises the reply. After the update, agent displays the revised draft. Its status remains pending and unsent. Check the recipient, reply, and product details. If everything is correct, reply sent to approve the email. After sending, Telegram reports the result, and the customer's final reply can also be viewed in the mailbox.